Pete Zielinski with Additive Manufacturing Magazine. I'm at Formnext, Frankfurt, Germany. Sandvik, the materials company, is here. Sister company to Sandvik, the cutting tool maker. Here is a milling cutter redesigned for additive manufacturing using expertise that this Sandvik, the Sandvik for serving additive manufacturing, was able to bring to this project. A real commercial product that will be introduced, dramatic improvement in this milling cutter. Very heavy, take my word for it. First attempt to make it lighter, lattice structure, okay. But the better solution was, why don't we try to topology optimize it? A form that maximizes performance for minimal mass, try that. So that also was okay, an incremental improvement. The next step beyond that, topology optimization plus a change in material. The material now is titanium, meaning less material, even less mass. And a further iteration got it even lighter. This version, 20% of the mass of the original, enables higher speed, faster spindle speed, meaning that it's even more productive than the original despite having fewer cutting edges. And another advantage of additive manufacturing seen here, the freedom to iterate and iterate and iterate to get just the optimal design. Even this isn't the final. I understand there have been like 25 design versions of this to get absolutely the perfect milling cutter in terms of performance plus low mass.